Lilo!
Why didn't you wait at the school? You were supposed to wait there. Lilo! Do you not understand? Do you want to be taken away? Answer me.
No!
No, you don't understand?
No!
No. What?
No!
You're such a pain.
So why do you sell me and buy a rabbit instead?
At least the rabbit would behave better than you.
Go ahead, then you'll be happy because it will be smarter than me too.
And quieter.
I don't like it because it's stinky like you.
Get out of your room!
I'm already in my room.
Hey, I brought you some pizza in case you were hungry.
We're a broken family, aren't we?
No. Maybe a little. Maybe a lot. I shouldn't have yelled at you.
We're sisters. It's our job.
Yeah, well, from now on.
I like you better as a sister than a mom.
Yeah.
And you like me better as a sister than a rabbit, right?
Oh. Yes. Yes, I do.
I hit Myrtle Edmonds today.
You hit her?
Before I bit her.
You bit her. Lilo, you shouldn't.
People treat me different.
They just don't know what to say. I'll tell you what. If you promise not to fight anymore, I promise not to yell at you. Except on special occasions.
Tuesdays and bank holidays would be good.
Yeah, would that be good?
Oh, my can is full again. Aren't they beautiful? A falling star! I call it, get out, I have to make a wish! Can't you go any faster?
Oh no, gravity is increasing on me.
No, it's not!
It is too, Lilo. The same thing happened yesterday.
You rotten sister, your butt is crushing me! Why do you act so weird? It's me again. I need someone to be my friend. Someone who won't run away. Maybe send me an angel. The nicest angel you have.